Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Karthik. How are you all?
I'm nice.
Fine, ma'am.
I'm fine.
And how are you?
I am also good. Good morning, Aditya. So what we have to do today?
Ma'am, multi-purpose
Good
project.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Payal.
Ma'am, multi-purpose projects.
Okay.
Ma'am, multi-purpose project.
We have to do multi-purpose projects today. So how is Ved doing?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
I'm
morning.
nice.
Nice. See, Didi is enjoying holidays and Ved is taking classes. Yes?
Yes,
Ved?
ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am.
Angel Anand is there in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
The other day you left the meeting or there were some network issues?
Ma'am, there were network issues for a few months, like a past month. The phone has been hanging, so I switched to PC, so I just joined.
Okay. Today I hope you will be there throughout, no? I was missing.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, the internet connection now is stable.
Okay. Good morning, Utkarsh. That's good. Fine. Right. So we have to do multi-purpose projects, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Let everyone come, and attendance also I need to take, right? Okay. Can we have the cameras on, class? For every one of you? Alind has a very nice virtual background, right? Related to geography only.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good. Anushka, good morning. How are you?
I'm fine.
And how is Didi?
Ma'am, she's also fine.
She must be very happy, no? Yes?
No,
That-
ma'am.
No, and Angel, Ayush is happy or not?
Yes, ma'am, he is.
Very good. That's nice. You're looking very pretty, Angel, you know, in these two plats. Very pretty.
Thank you.
Okay. How is Bhavya doing?
Ma'am, great.
That's nice. Fine. Quickly your attendance and we start with the class. Today we'll finish the chapter and we'll do the exercises and question answers as well, right? Right. Class, I think only Angel had shared the work which I had shared on the other groups as well, in the D group also. Her work I found was all complete, neatly done, flowcharts done, diagram done. But Angel, in the diagram that you have drawn, you have not specified the soil profile thing, right?
Ma'am, I think I've mentioned.
No, you have only labeled it, but nowhere in the diagram I could see that soil profile is written, right? And see, when we have
Ma'am, that I have written on the like lines pages, on the lines pages. I have written one para, then I have made a diagram.
that is fine. But then when you are drawing diagrams or making like this, you need to give the heading there on the plain side as well, right? And always make borders. When you have diagrams, always make borders. Borders give a nice look to the diagram that you have made. Like it is very good, but then if the borders are there, it will add to the beauty of that, right?
Okay, ma'am.
And similarly, the map work that you do, if it has got reference index, Chaitanya, enjoying which song?
No, ma'am.
Ah,
I am listening to you.
okay. So am I so musical?
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So when you do map work, always make sure that the extra things in the map you cut and you stick it in the center of the plain side, and the reference index also you ensure that you are making it on the same page. If there is space, and if there is no space, then you can do it on the side by page that you have on the ruled side, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Huh? And your map work was really very good, Angel. The first two maps that you have made, no, the states one and the union territory one.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, that you told in the notebook making
Yes.
class.
Initially, when I told you that. And now see, listen, because most of you are here in the class, though it is a class of 40 students, but still, okay, 27 participants, sufficient. Those who will go through the recordings, they'll listen to it. Randomly on any of the day, I may take 10 minutes map test, right? That map test will be any state and the union territories that you have, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
So do practice your map work, because see, as you will come to the senior classes, you have to go for the map work, and the map work is very scoring. If it is of 5 marks or 6 marks, they are just free marks if you are already aware of the locations of the states or the places that are there, right? Right, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Alind is there in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Arav is there. Aditi?
Yes, ma'am, present.
Okay. Then Aditya Gangwar,
Yes, ma'am. Present.
Aditya Mishra. We don't have. Agrima Singh. Alishba.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Then Angel
Present, ma'am.
Anand.
Present, ma'am.
Ansh Patel. Not there. Anushka Sharma.
Present, ma'am.
Ayush Agarwal. Yes.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Ayushi Vashisht. Ayushi Vashisht is not there. Bhavya Tyagi. Chaitanya
Present,
Agarwal.
ma'am.
Okay. Chaitanya
Present,
Agarwal.
ma'am.
Karthik Chauhan.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Then Karthike.
Present, ma'am.
Khushi Rathod. Khushi is not there in the class? No, she is not. Krishna Gupta. Krishna Gupta, does he attend his classes?
Yes, ma'am.
But I have never seen him in my class. Not even like last week he did not attend. Maybe. Chalo, let it be. Lakshanya.
Ma'am, he has network problems in his area.
Achha, he has network problem. That is there. Many of the students are facing this problem. It's fine. Chalo. Lakshanya is not there. Laksh Kumar is there. Meghavi.
Lakshmi Kumar present.
Okay, Laksh Kumar present. Meghavi.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Faham. Mohammed Faham. Mohammed Faham is there? No. Muskan Chaudhary. Do we have?
Ma'am, actually, Ansh Patel joined late.
Why? Yes, last time also you joined late. Were you having your breakfast? Huh?
Yes, ma'am, I was having breakfast and I thought that there would be times and I forgot the time.
Okay, fine. It's okay. Muskan is not there. Navya Goyal. Do we have Navya in the class? No. Neeruz. Is Neeruz there? She's also not there. Payal Gangwar.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Pranjal Gupta.
Present, ma'am.
Fine. Pratyush Singh.
Present, ma'am.
Priya Gangwar.
Present, ma'am.
Ridhima.
Present, ma'am.
Very good. Saksham Patel. Do we have Saksham in the class?
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Saksham Sahu.
Present, ma'am.
Swastik Sansaria.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Tanishka Chaudhary. Do we have Tanishka in the
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Then Tarini. Utkarsh Singh Tomar.
Present, ma'am.
Ved.
Present, ma'am.
Vidushi Gangwar.
Present, ma'am.
And Yashraj. Yashraj is not attending classes. Do you know why? No? Angel is saying something? No?
No.
Okay, fine. So who will tell me what are multi-purpose projects? Who will tell?
And dams.
Yes?
Ma'am, dam.
Ma'am, they are usually dams.
Ma'am, the project that help us in various things.
Okay, like, how do they help us?
Ma'am, like dams.
Okay,
Like in irrigation, flood control,
what?
to rear
Irrigation.
fishes.
Ma'am,
like reservoirs. Fish breeding. Yes, Kartike, as reservoirs. Very good. What else?
Generating hydroelectricity.
Ma'am,
Hydroelectricity. Very good. Very good. What else?
Flood control.
Flood control. Someone said that as well. Very good. Okay, fine.
Ma'am, supply for drinking.
Huh?
Recreation. Ma'am,
supply
for drinking.
Yes, recreational activities, of course. Yes, very good. See, I would like to share one experience of mine. Long time back, almost 10, 11 years back. 10, 11 years back, I got a chance to go to Trivandrum. It is in Thiruvananthapuram. It is in where? Where it is?
Kerala.
Kerala. It is the capital of. It is the capital of Kerala.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So there, exactly. I don't remember the name of the dam right now, but then there was we visited that dam, and it was under construction. Like, near the dam area. Better give me a minute, just a minute. I think somebody is there at the gate. Huh? Just a moment. Fine. Okay, sorry for the interruption. So where I was, near that dam was a huge dam. Now near the dam, there was a restaurant was there, along with that restaurant, there was, a fisheries. This thing was there. It was for the recreational this thing activity, and several varieties of fishes were there. It was made underground, like it was made underground also, and huge big fishes were there. So like dam, then there was one site where hydroelectricity was being generated, right? Fisheries, fish breeding was taking place. Water was collected as a reservoir, and then there was a canal which was made, where to the nearby places the water was being released, so that the farmers who are there, they can use that water for irrigation, for irrigating the fields, right? So a dam, when a dam comes up, it is not only a dam, but then there are several other things that are connected to it. That is why it is called as a multi-purpose project, right? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
How,
ma'am.
how many of you have visited this Sharda Dam that we have in Banbasa, I believe?
I have visited.
You have gone there. What did you see over there? What could you see?
There was,
Huh?
ma'am, from a building I saw it. Ma'am, I think it's near Nepal.
हाँ, it is of course बनबसा नेपाल बॉर्डर के पास ही है बच्चे. शारदा डैम जो है ना बनबसा में है. बनबसा उससे थोड़ा सा आगे जाके you have that कौन सा वाला है, उसको महेंद्र नगर बोलते हैं. That is a महेंद्र नगर area, right?
And ma'am, near there there is a forest known as Chuka Beach.
Chuka Beach is in Pilibhit. Chuka Beach is in Pilibhit. Sharda Dam is in Banbasa.
Okay, ma'am, but when I visited Chuka Beach,
Huh?
then after I think 2 days I visited Sharda Dam.
Okay, fine. So what did you see over there? Like I told you, no, I could see several things that were coming up along with that dam. So what you could see over there? How many of you have visited Chuka Beach?
Ma'am,
Okay. Have you seen that?
I have gone, but it was closed.
Okay, it was closed. But then you must have crossed that river, no, which is also known by the name of bifurcation.
Yes, ma'am, bifurcation. Some people said they saw the crocodile. Yes, ma'am, there are crocodiles on the beach.
Okay.
Ma'am, some local tourists say.
Many of the actually see that Chuka Beach is basically a tiger reserve, no? So many of the tigers during the monsoons they came out. That is why it was closed. Generally, the reserves which we have, the forest areas that we have, the what do you call that, national parks and the sanctuaries that we have, in the monsoon season they generally close it. Reason being, it is raining, it becomes muddy, it becomes swampy, and all the animals that are there inside, they come out, right? That is why they are closed. There is a specific duration for Dudhwa National Park, you must have heard of. So there is a specific duration
Yes, ma'am, I visited.
between which they
I visited it.
Okay. How was it?
Ma'am, I saw a lot of alligators and crocodiles, but no tigers.
Right. There are like, even when, if you remember, no, I think you people also went to that Jim Corbett, no?
Yes, ma'am.
So did you see any
Ma'am,
tigers?
we saw the tiger trails.
Tiger trails you saw? See, every visitor, every tourist who is there, who visit there, is told that these are tiger trails. Tiger must have gone or maybe nearby or so. So every time they do this only. This is a very
Yes, I also saw footprints.
Yes, it is a very common practice. So we were talking about the dams. See, dams, when we talk of multi-purpose projects, we know these multi-purpose projects that we have, they are of ample use. They have multiple uses connected to the construction of the dams, right? Now the recreational activities that are there, they give employment to people. The tourists, those who come over there, hotels are made, restaurants are made, then several inns are made so that people can come and stay over there. They can enjoy the scenic beauty of that place. So when a dam comes up, several employment opportunities also come, right? Right? And the
Yes, ma'am.
regional economy of that place also grows. The place ultimately, you know, all of a sudden gains importance. Economic importance also comes up with the coming up of the dams or the multi-purpose projects, right?
Yes,
Right?
ma'am.
Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
See, in our country, the multi-purpose projects that are made or that are in the, you know, process of making, they are of ample, you know, importance, because in our country, when we read about the scarcity of the water, in that we read about the variation in the seasonal and the annual
Yes,
precipitation,
ma'am.
if you remember. So that is because some places in our country, some areas in our country where agriculture is, you know, carry forward by the people, there they don't have sufficient availability of water to irrigate the fields. So for that, from these dams, canals are, you know, created, canals are made, and through these canals, water is transported from one place to another place, right? Right? You all must have heard about Indira Gandhi Canal. Have you read about Indira Gandhi Canal?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Which place is benefited by Indira Gandhi Canal? Which region?
Ma'am, Rajasthan.
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 Very good. Very good. Fine. Let us start with,
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes, beta Kartike.
Ma'am, I think you were asking that what I saw on Sharda Dam.
I was asking that only. Yes, tell.
Ma'am, I saw very, very still water. It was looking as there was no water. But
As
if
there
we
was,
see
no.
no water, it was
Okay.
looking like this.
It
But
was that calm.
I saw,
It was that. Okay.
but when I saw thoroughly, I saw that the water was extremely still. It was not moving, I mean.
No, actually, you know, like when I visited Sharda Dam, I saw it was so transparent that I could see everything that was beneath it. The small pebbles which were there, the fishes that were there in it, different colors of, you know, fishes were there, golden, silver, black. Like I could make out that what exactly is there beneath on the surface of the water, beneath that. And it is because that water is a flowing water, it is not a still water, it is a flowing water. So it is very clean. Moreover, nearby it, you must have seen a huge area from where the water falls down, and because of the from the high, you know, slope, when the water falls, it helps in the generating of the hydroelectricity, right? So electricity is also generated. And you know, when you go towards the dam, on the right hand side, you have a small park where they have made a, you know, model of that whole thing, of the dam that is there.
Yes, ma'am.
That model is
Yes,
really
ma'am.
very beautiful. Very beautiful it is. And by looking at that, you can analyze it, what was the purpose and how they are, you know, using the water. There were people catching fishes, big mature fishes they were catching, right? And on the other side, there was water was passing through a canal. When I asked the person who was there, no, he said that it is for the purpose of irrigating the field. So through the canal, the water is reaching the village areas where there is no water resource to irrigate the fields. So simultaneously, several things, you know, several purposes were fulfilled by that particular dam. So that is why, because they do multiple of, you know, work, they do multiple of the tasks. That is why they are called as multi-purpose projects, right? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Let us read it quickly. Haji. Can we have Angel Anand reading?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
In many countries, special projects have been undertaken to develop and utilize water resources. These projects aim at overall utilization of the rivers and serve many purposes simultaneously. They are thus called multi-purpose river valley projects.
Fine.
Benefits of
Anything in this to be explained?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Fine.
No, ma'am.
Carry on, Angel.
Yes, ma'am. Benefits of multipurpose projects. In a multipurpose project, one or more huge dams are constructed across a river to store water in reservoirs. This water is then utilized for different purposes like irrigation, flood control, generation of hydroelectricity, inland navigation, fish breeding, afforestation, and recreation. The Tennessee Valley Authority in the USA was the first multipurpose project to be set up in the world. Some other important ones are as one in Egypt, Turbala in Pakistan, Hoover and Cooley in the USA and Volta in Ghana. These are some of the important multipurpose projects of India. Continue.
Fine. No. That's it. That's it. Anything in this not understood? I hope everything is clear and understood, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I have told you, I told you to do the map work for this multi-purpose projects in India. Has anybody done that?
Ma'am, I have done.
Can you show it here on the screen?
Okay, ma'am.
Anji. Can you bring it a little closer? Yes, fine. Can everybody see how she has done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right.
Yes, ma'am.
This is the correct way of doing it. This is how you all need to do this map, right? Right, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Very
Yes, ma'am.
okay.
Ma'am, please tell what is inland navigation?
But inland navigation जो होता है, it is done for allowing for movement of the ships. जो ships होते हैं, canals, rivers, इसके through जो ये movement करते हैं, taking goods from one place to another, that is called inland navigation. ठीक है?
Okay.
हाँ. इसको हम एक तरीके का जो है वो बोलते हैं ट्रांसपोर्ट सिस्टम बोलते हैं. ठीक है? inland navigation जो होता है, it is a transport system, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Fine. Chaliye. So with this, we are over with the chapter. There is one activity given on page 155. If you could come to that.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Now, many parts of India face water scarcity. Individual activity I'm talking about. Many parts of India face water scarcity, especially during summers. Collect newspaper reports and pictures to prepare your own report on water scarcity in India and make a collage. So this activity you need to do in your notebooks, right? But get the pictures and everything, we'll do it in the class, right? Will this be
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Right? So your work for this week is that you need to collect the pictures, and collage making we will do in the class when we have the class, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Right?
Tomorrow.
Not tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll not do. Tomorrow, see, tomorrow we'll finish the question answers and other things, right? So for
Okay,
today, right now, what you have to do, I am just telling you a short recapitulation that what work I have given you. One map I have given you on page 150. Then page 151 and 152 green box, you are supposed to do that in the political map of India, right? All the new terms that you have, the key terms that you have, right, in the notebook. Then you need to do this activity. This activity will be after the question answers that we do. Okay?
Ma'am, next week?
No, question answers this week only. Right now we'll do, tomorrow also we'll do. But by next week, all these things should be there in your notebooks. Right?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Yes, ma'am. In the multi-purpose project, we also have to make the rivers.
you have to make the rivers and you have to write the name of the river and the project which is there on that particular river.
Okay, ma'am.
I think Angel has done that way only. Okay. Angel, if you could send it, send the image of that map on my personal number.
Okay, ma'am.
So find the answers to the exercises up till A, right? 5 minutes are sufficient for that?
Yes, ma'am.
Come
Fine.
till which?
Till A, till E, sorry, E, A, B, C, D, E. Right? Right, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let's you take and start doing it.
Ma'am, done.
Ma'am, done.
Let everyone do.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm done. I'm done.
Ma'am, done.
Okay. Let everyone do. Then we start.
Ma'am, I have sent you the click of the map.
You have sent the photo?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. I'll see.
से हाँ इस लड़की की माँ ने अपना हर बार वीडियो कोई और नहीं थी लड़की क्या करती है अरे यार पाए इन लोगों का पता थी लेकिन अब कोई क्लास पर स्टिक हो रही